In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Grammarly to UK English. By the end, your Grammarly suggestions will follow British spelling and conventions, like color instead of color and organize with an S. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Grammarly, then press Enter. From the results, click the official Grammarly link that takes you to the web app. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in with your existing account so you can access your settings. Once you're in the Grammarly app, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Account. This takes you to your profile and preferences. Inside Account, choose the section labeled Writing. This area controls how Grammarly adapts to your writing style, and it's where you can set your preferred language rules. Next, open Language Settings. Here, you'll see options that influence spelling, grammar, and punctuation conventions. Find the Dialect section. Click the small arrow or drop-down next to Dialect to reveal the available varieties of English. From the list, select British English. As soon as you choose it, Grammarly typically saves the change automatically. If you see a Save button, click it to confirm. That's it. Your Grammarly account is now set to British English. This change applies across the Grammarly web editor and usually syncs to the desktop app and browser extension when you're signed in to the same account. If you're already working in a document, give the page a quick refresh so the new dialect rules kick in immediately. A few tips to confirm everything is working. Type a word that differs between dialects, like color or organize. With British English selected, Grammarly will accept those spellings and may even suggest them if you use the American versions. You might also notice differences in punctuation and formatting preferences, which helps keep your writing consistent with UK standards. If you don't see the account option in the sidebar, make sure your browser window is maximized, or look for a menu icon that reveals additional items. And if British English is already selected, you're good to go. No further changes needed. To recap, you searched for Grammarly, opened the official site, went into Account, then Writing, then Language Settings, expanded the dialect menu, and chose British English. With that, your Grammarly checks will follow UK conventions everywhere you write with Grammarly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy writing with accurate British style.